I'm working on setting this in place. I've already got one hole drilled. I'm only drilling one hole first. I'll set a bolt in there and then I'll drill the other hole. That way I get them in the exact right spot and oriented the right way. This is the backing plate. It's like 1/4 inch plastic. This is going to be a rubber seal for the stainless steel hardware. And that's going to be the anchor point. I haven't decided whether I'm going to put one on the other side or not, but it's going to have one on this side for sure. Because this is the side I'll put the anchor trolley. Alright. Get this out of the way. I learned on one of my other videos that while the seat was up, the camera kept focusing on the seat, so my video was out of focus. And I'm going to use locking nuts on the inside with washers. So, yeah. And get the tie, make it tight as thick as you can. That way there's less chance for water getting in. Let's see, what do I want you? That's good. I'll put this over the hole here. Let's see. Perfecto. That was easy enough. Yeah, so now I have a rubber backing. This. Hey. Could have saved that for nighttime. It would look nice. Alright. Top part is done. But first things first. Where did I put it? And what is this? I'm going to paint it. Whoa. 240. messed up sprayer. Let that sit in the sun for a little bit. We'll make these. This is basically the same material the kayak's made out of, but a little bit thicker. Alright. I don't like the way these look here. There you are. If you want to do something, just do it right. So. I think I wore out my my metal shears yesterday working on that little John boat, making those deck plates. That'll work. I had a yeah, I'm going to round these edges off a little bit. Had a roll of his. What is this? This is so whatever I do on one, I do the same on all the others. Here's my bottom plate. This is going to go inside the kayak for support under here. So I'm probably going to have to put it this way. Yeah, that's where it'll fit. Cool. So that goes in there. The only thing is, I got to reach in from way over there to get up in here. And I have to hold it at the same time as I put a washer and a nut on it. Speaking of which, where's my little wrench at? It has this weird looking little wrench, but what's cool about it is that it has these lips on it, so I can actually put it up further in to hold it. That'll work. All right. This goes down here. It didn't need to be painted. I just painted it because I wanted it to match the kayak a little nicer, a little better. We got the rubber seal on it. Paint's not this and this to get it going. I'm thinking when I put this on, it'll probably just slide in and hold in place. Hoping. Let me try it and see what it does. You watch this one real quick. No way. Can't believe how easy that went out. I usually expect everything to give me a hard time. There goes the washer. Wow, that was amazing. I was expecting to have all kinds of trouble with that thing. It just went right on. Oh, it just fell off. Doggone it. I spoke too soon. I spoke too soon. And not only that, being that this is going to be so strong to put in there, it'd be a good anchor point for when you're tying the kayak. Alright, my camera died again while I had my arm shoved down into the hatch. But the anchor point is complete. I mean, that thing's not going anywhere. But like I said, everybody's always anchoring their kayaks to these little pad eyes and stuff, and that just don't work for me. So I'm adding one of these to every kayak, boat, whatever I have. So let me show you what it looks like on the inside. Hopefully, and that'll work. I mean, that's an anchor point. I mean, it doesn't have to be these. You can get the one that looks just like it looks like just this little strap right here, and it'll lay flat against your deck. They have smaller ones than this. I just happen to have 4 of these, and that's just what I'm using. And I painted it black to match the kayak. So So, anchor point, good place to anchor your kayak.